It feels like every 20 minutes I turn on Instagram or my social media, there's a new guru that told me how they just make $20,000 doing nothing. And it's already hard enough to make money as it is, but I'm determined because today is day 58 of how to get rich using AI. And the gurus make it look easy, the OnlyFans girls make it look easy. I know we can capitalize because we got TikTok, we got Instagram, and we got Doba. Now, if you don't know what the hell TikTok is, I don't know what you're doing. So you open up TikTok. Now, when you open up your application, all you're going to do is search beauty, search sports, search whatever thing that you're selling. Now, once you search it, you're going to sort by the most liked videos. This is called data research, market research, to see what people are watching. Now that you're on TikTok, you scrolling, seeing what people like, what videos, what products. Now, you go over to the computer. And when you do get to the computer, look what they're saying already. Crush it on TikTok, discover the hottest products for your shop. And you can connect your TikTok shop one click, my nigga. What the hell's the, what's the excuse? There's no excuse. One click. Let's continue. So if we want to shop TikTok shop selections, you can break it down by niche and they're going to show you all the products. If you want to do Temu, let's check it out. So you want to sell this rake from Temu? Look at this. They got video tutorials and guess what? Now, when you get here to this page, you want this product, guess what? You can add it to your inventory. You can download all of these videos that you see playing right here on the screen while I'm talking to you. All of this will be downloaded. All of these pictures for your product will be downloaded. You want the orange one? They got it. You want the white one? Guess what? They got it. And you can list this to the AI store that Doba is going to make for you. Let's continue on. Guess what? They got Christmas coming up and they got a bunch of products right here. You can sort by all products and you can pick anything, any niche, all of the stuff they have. And guess what? It'll tell you if it's in stock and it'll tell you how fast they ship it. You cannot get better than this. Now, I don't know if you celebrate this or not, but if you're watching this video, there's a high chance this is around Halloween and you can get all your costumes. So there's going to be a lot of costume parties this weekend, and guess what? Even work parties after Halloween. So even on November 1st, 2nd, there's going to be some straggling parties and gifts, so you can still sell these products. And Christmas is around the corner. You know, this is America. We got tons of shit to sell. So all of this stuff can be added to your store. You feel me? And AI is going to handle the rest for you. And that's because them boys and girls at Doba then put together for you a blowout sale. So now they got a sale of all of these items, bro. Look at this. Pick your category. I'm just scrolling. They got bodysuits or workout outfits for ladies, chest, checkers, shelves. Nigga, they got everything on here. So as I'm scrolling, I'm telling you that you can get this tool right now and start using this. Rather than being broke and complaining about no kings or whatever you want to complain about, you can tap in right now and start fending for yourself, because being a boss and making money comes with your mindset first. You gotta think it before you see it in reality. You feel me? So this is how we're gonna make some of that happen. This ain't financial advice, but at least this is a tool, my nigga. On this channel, I don't give y'all fabrications. I show you some money that I've made. I show y'all my portfolio. I show you the receipts that go with it. Moral of the story is, over here, I'm just giving you tools and shit that you can do. You can apply yourself to this. And if you have the skill set of making sales online, having the skill set of understanding that AI is here to stay, this might be something you can look into. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think of Doba. Click that description link so you can download it right now. You did.